Okay, so if you're trying to do the roller coaster project, one of the ways you can do it is to kind of draw your roller coaster out on paper and then kind of add points on the computer so that kind of looks like what you drew out on paper. So the way to do like an XY table in Desmos is to hit this plus that's at the top left hand of the screen and then just hit table. And you can go ahead and put in as many points as you want. I'll just put in a few just to show you. So let's say 0, 0. And then maybe I want my roller coaster to go up from there. So I'll go 1, 10. And 2, 12. Here, let's just kind of make this so we can see our points. There we go. 2, 12. And 3, 50. And 20, 75. Let's go see. And then maybe I want it to kind of come back down again. So maybe I'll go 50, 50, and then 60, 40, and then maybe back up again. All right, so I kind of think if you kind of think about what I had in mind here, I kind of think that I would kind of go kind of up like this and maybe down and around and up and then back down again. Now, of course, in the actual design, it does say that it has to go below ground at least once. So you would have actually have to make this curve kind of a little bit lower. But this will at least get you an idea of how to take a look at how to do this. Now, even though this is what I have in mind, when you're going to see when I put the equation in, you're not going to actually get exactly this. So let me erase this for a moment and show you how to put the equation in. So you can see I intended this to be a even degree and a fourth degree equation. So the way I'm going to put the equation in is I'm going to hit this plus sign again, and I'm going to hit fx expression. And because your table is x1 and y1, you're going to have to use x1 and y1 when you type it in. So I'm going to say y1, and instead of using the equal sign, you have to use the tilde sign, which is shift, and then the button that's to the left of your number 1 key would be tilde. And then you're going to type ax1, and I'm going to raise that to the fourth. And again, if you want to raise something to the fourth, you use that little caret button that's on the number 6. And then I'm going to say plus bx1 to the third plus cx1 squared plus dx1 plus e. So you can see that the roller coaster I've designed is not exactly what I had in mind, but it's pretty close. And if I wanted to change it, I can actually just go in and add some more points. So for instance, if I wanted, I don't know, maybe this hill, I wanted it not quite so high, I could go in and put some points back on my graph. Like maybe I would hit maybe I'll hit like 120 and 80. And you can see by just putting that point in, it brings it back down a little bit. It changes some other things along the way too. So it's a little bit kind of playing with it until you get something that you like. So if you have any other questions, please let me know.